What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lufe AI. Now as you can see here, I'm on my Google Chrome browser and I can easily go ahead and set up the Lufe AI on this browser. So you want to head over to lufe.ai and you can easily go ahead and sign up by clicking login, and you can choose to use your Gmail account if you have one, or you can enter other credentials there. I'm going to use my Gmail account here to quickly sign in and create an account, and it is as easy as that. Once you're in guys, you have an account and you can easily go ahead and set up this on your browser. So I'm going to add the extension here in the upper right by simply clicking install extension. You have the option here to quickly add this extension to your browser. I'm going to quickly add mine to the Google Chrome browser here, and very quickly you will see that it is added. Now once it is completed guys, you will be able to quickly pin that extension in your browser. You will see that you are going through a couple of steps here. It's very straightforward how you can set it up. Simply go ahead and click on next. From here it shows you that you can pin the extension, so click on that on the upper right hand side for extensions and you click and add the extension. It's going to quickly pin it so you have quick access to it. Then from here you can go ahead and you can click on next, and it shows you that you can go ahead and translate the text. So now it's asking you to quickly translate a page. Click the extension again, click and translate, and you move on to the next step. Go ahead and click next step. You can easily go ahead and you can skip this step. You don't have to complete that. Now the final step is for you to sign in with either your Gmail account or your email. I'm going to quickly choose my Gmail account here and quickly sign in. Once I sign in, process is pretty much completed guys. Once you're inside guys, it's basically showing you the different plans here that you can see. If you're on a free plan, you basically see what you get from the free plan, but you can see that you have other plans that you can choose. But if at any point in time you want to upgrade, check out the link in the description of this video. You can quickly use my affiliate link. We greatly appreciate that in case you want to upgrade. Now let me show you what this extension actually entails and what it can do. Now on the upper right hand side, as you can see, I pinned it so I can click on that extension. Here you can see the auto detected language. You don't have to use the auto detected language. You can switch this to something if you want to use a specific language, and the target language is basically the language that you want to translate to. So if I want to translate to Dutch, I can always translate to Dutch, and you can see the translation there. You have a translation service that you can quickly choose multiple different translation here, which is Google. You can use Bing, you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or even Claude. You also have the option to auto translate the website, so you can always turn on or off this feature if you so desire. You also have the settings, so you can quickly jump into the settings, and it contains a ton of things. You can go through your personal settings here, your basic settings here, where you can change languages, you can change translation engine, you can enable or disable certain translation service, you can set different ones as their default. You can see shortcuts, floating ball, you can enable the feature to do text selection translation, image translation, voice translation, translation styles, and so forth. But in a nutshell, that's all there is to it. On any website guys, let's take for example google.com. If you're there and you find any text that you want to translate, you can simply highlight that text, and you should have the option appear in the lower right hand side that allows you to quickly click on that and do a text translation. As you can see, I have the target language here for Dutch, but I can always quickly change this to whatever. Let's say I want to change that to, for example, I can select French, and as you can see, it quickly translates into French. Always go ahead and copy this if you so desire and put it elsewhere. And that's it in a nutshell. That's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.